foil and your foil is not sticking well for you, it's not listening to you, and it's not transferred properly, this is going to be your absolute bestie on your station. And then whether you are doing it for yourself or you are doing it for your clients, all you're doing is press on service. So I'm gonna go ahead, and you can see that I'm trying to get really cool is a smile lines, and I'm gonna go ahead and using the twin tip brush, make it really nice and precise. And it doesn't have to be perfect if you want to, absolutely. But I'm gonna just do this one right here. Should we do this one in black foil? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. Okay, do the same thing with the other one. Premium IHO transfer foil. And apply it. So for beginners, if you want to do like a French looks and draw it, trying to getting a good smile line, just getting like getting one from one side striped down like is, and it looks like you are drawing a chevron, and then you can using your tinted brush and try to getting more details and perfect your French. I'm not sure if this one is the same with the other one. It doesn't look, you can't see really well here because it's shiny top coat on. So make sure if you want to do the foil without getting contaminate the design, make sure you apply either top coat, shiny, or a matte top coat, like both of them. Make sure you are getting it's like no wipe top, so then that way it will not sticking it on the surface of. So maybe this one is good with the black. So like have a lighter size, you're gonna put it down, and the darker one is on this end. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a really good rub using the dual end tweezers. Okay, give it a good rub, good pressures. Make sure it's all the bubbles, like air pocket is out, so then that way it can transfer pretty much 100% of everything. Oh, I like this a lot. Cool. Transfer everything, and then if you feel like there's the air bubbles right here, make it back up, rub it, and transfer. It transfer everything for you. Here you go.